It's... Wait lang, naka 24 hours yung relo. Wait lang, naka military relo ko eh. Wait lang ah. I-intro ko ulit. Mag-intro ko ulit. Fine.
It's one.
Love kasi, military na siya. Ay, naka-digital na siya. Wala pang number.
Digital, walang number?
Analog na, wala pang number. Wait lang, tignan ko yung oras. It's January 25, Saturday, and it's 1:45 in the afternoon. The next 24 hours will be busy as fuck. Thank you nga pala sa sa Lazy Hips sa pagpapadala ng t-shirt. Sana natanggap niyo yung padala kong pera.
Lumilipat ang isip ko.
Sa boses mo hindi makaka-print yung kahit tayo naman. Hour 1, we're still in traffic. Let's get it.
Ako dito sa
Look at that. Look at that shit. Hour number 4, 5:58. Tama ba? Hour number 4. Paalis na kami sa mall. Tumambay kami saglit para kumain. And we're on the way to the actual event. Hindi ako nag-film kasi. Gutom na ako kanina eh. Napipiko na ako eh. Tsaka ang init. Ngayon naman busog na busog ako. Tsaka ang init. We're going to McDo.
Jollibee.
We're going to we're going to Jollibee. See you there. Here's the people.
Uy, mag-seatbelt ka na. Nagwawala na.
Nagagalit siya.
Okay, nagwawala na yung sasakyan nila.
Paano? How's the first 4 customers?
Okay lang. Ano lang?
Walang ka-pressure.
Feeling ko hindi naramdaman ng isa yung sunod-sunod.
Talaga.
Ano na yung hula? Yung nagkakula pizza? Ikaw, hindi pa panig ka. Ano yung nangyari sa'yo? Tanga ka magkakasunod yun. Oh, naka-experience ka na magkakasunod. Pamilya mo. Oh. Hindi ako panig. Ay, nasa pamilya mo. Naprint na to. Naprint ko ba muna? So ito si Dilang, tapos yung si Dilang. Bumara. Nagano'n ko yung imatsa. Si Dilang ang putang yun. Wala oras pa yun sa matanda. I agree. Hindi. Huwag ka magpanik. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 2, 1. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ingat kayo, bawi kayo. Hoy, mama, ingat kayo. Wala ako tutuloy. Tapos na kami tumawa. Hour number 11 eh. Pero hour number 11 and we're almost home. Ang dami pa namin ibabawang gamit. Magpapakain pa kami ng doggies. Ako lang pala, magpapakain pa kami. Pakatay po ng manok.
Okay, I'm still kicking. Hour number 11. Bye.
Ito yung pa.
Hour 12 and we're just resting. Almost sleeping time, almost bedtime, but we're home. These are the peeps. Alive and kicking. Hour number 13. Sleeping time. Good night. See you tomorrow. Pagod na. 20 hours and we are on the way to the gym.
Morning. Fit check.
Hour number 20.
Let's go.
Hour number 21. Buhay pa naman. Hour number 22. Hour number 23. We're going home. Pagod. It's officially 24 hours since I started the vlog and we're already home. It's almost 2. It's 2. Tapusin ko na yung vlog dito. Mag-edit na lang naman ako today and konting chores. But that's 24 hours for us. The event was a success. The gym today, the leg day today was a success, right?
Yep.
Okay, ending the vlog here. Thank you for watching. See you next upload.